Now I will attach these two sole together. So I am using green color for a slip stitch. This is slip stitch. Slip stitch. Do it not too tight and not too loose. So make it all around till to the end. Now I finished my slip stitch all around, and I count from the front side. This is my middle, so I count from this side 12 here and 12 on the other side. So it's all are 25 stitches. So I will start my work from this side. Insert my hook into the stitch and now chain 1 and make single crochet into every stitch till to the other side. This is my single crochet into the stitches. Like this, and again into the, so do it till to the this end. Now I finished from this side to this side. Now I will chain 1 again and turn my work in the same stitch. I will make single crochet, and now I will do it till to the end. Single crochet to the end of this line. Now I finished my second row of single crochet all over here. So now I will chain 1 and turn my work and make double crochet into the same stitch, and again I will make chain 1 and skip 1, and another I will make double crochet. Now again chain 1, skip, in the next make double crochet, again chain, skip 1, in the next double crochet. So do it till to the next point. Skip 1, chain and double crochet. Now I make my all the stitches. Chain 1, in the next make 2 single crochet, decrease, and again into the space, into the next double crochet, single crochet, into the next space, single crochet, and do it till to the end, and make 1 decrease in the last. Now I decrease my last one decrease. Now chain 1 and make double crochet into the same stitch, and now skip 1, in the next make double crochet, skip 1, into the next make double crochet, into the next skip 1, in the next make double crochet, and make it till to the end. it will look like this in the end. So make chain 1, in the next make single crochet into the every stitch till to the end, single crochet. Now chain 1 and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now all of it in one pullover in one stitch. So chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Now it will look like this. Now I will start my another round from this side. Make single crochet into the stitches. Wait. Okay. Chain 1. Sorry. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now to the next side make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now again chain 1, make a slip stitch here to the next stitch and again make single crochet into all stitches till to the next end. Now it will look like this. See how beautiful it is. Now I will start my back side. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in the 6th I will insert my hook and make a knot. Chain 1 and to the next stitch make single crochet and next single crochet and count 6 from this side and I will come to the another end. Now I am here till to the another end, so I will chain 1 and then in the same stitch single crochet into the next single crochet in all stitches to the next end. Now chain 1 and make double crochet into the same stitch and chain 1, skip the next and in the next make double crochet chain 1, skip next in the another, make double crochet and make it till to the end. Skip in the next, make double crochet. Skip in the next, make double crochet. So make it till to the end. Now from this side, make decrease of 3 and chain 1 in the space, in the double crochet, chain 1 space, chain 1 in the next. Now make it till to the this end and decrease here too. Now from this side, make double crochet into the next stitch and make chain 1, skip 1 into the next, make double crochet, chain 1 into the skip 1 the next, double crochet, chain 1, skip in the second, make double crochet. So make it till to the end. Now again chain 1, turn work, in the next make single crochet and in the space make single. Now make it till to the end. Now cut the yarn and make it tight. Now I made a chain of 60, cut here, insert from this side, and again from here and from this. Oh, sorry. And now come to this side, insert in the middle of the space, see, and now make a insert this one into the make a bow. Cut the extra yarn. Now my little shoe is ready for your loved ones. Can make it. Look how beautiful it is from the back. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next tutorial. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.